So I'm just getting my last cable coverings up there. I'm going to have an outside light and then a couple of plugs, which will be fine. And then we're pretty much done here. Just going to mount the second light, which will come just up here. And I ordered that yesterday. So that'll be fun. And now I'm just going to put covering on the wall here. So we decided, in light of everything we have to do, not to cover all the walls with a second skin yet. And it's basically because we don't really need it. These are the only electronics in here and they're pretty much self-contained, and just do it step by step. So as I start to use the shed and decide what I want in here and how it should look, just cover up the different walls and add shelves or whatever, or hooks for tools and things. But now I'm going to do just this corner down to the bottom of the window. So I've got these USB boards left over from the roof that we put up in the house, and now I can start using them. So this one corner is in now, which means I can get the plugs in here, which is good. Just mount them on the USB and that's fine. I'm not pulling the cable through because I want to have them adaptable, that I can change and add stuff straight away if I need to, and not have the cables hidden there. But that's good. And now I've got to do this side. So for the workbench, and it is that classic old workbench, I can have 2 plugs each side, saw on there and whatever. And a nice view out to the garden and the tunnel and everything, and light above me, and working all hours, which I probably won't do, and just end up using it as a bench to do plant potting. But that's also okay. So panel 2, got the cable out for the outside light, got the panel on this wall, apart from that little screw at the top. So the once lonely cupboard that was spending its last days in the carpentry workshop has been given a facelift, and our 2 resident artists have turned it into the most stylish postbox you are likely to see. Yeah, floor is not quite finished, but it's looking good, and hopefully our postman will realise it's a postbox. Well, I do love a summer storm, but not when you're trying to put in a solar panel on the roof. And it is windy today, but it's getting worse now with this guy coming on. Should have some nice rain in a bit. So those solar panels are going up now on the garden shed, or now, little break until we can get back up there. Yeah, and that's the first solar panels, electricity producing solar panels for the house on a rail system. and yeah, mounting them is pretty easy. So we don't actually have the panels yet, but they are coming. They have been ordered. Alright, I'm going to go inside now before it starts getting really wet. Good morning. It is very early in the morning, 7 o'clock, and Bernie is back to help us prepare the car park for tarmac. Industrial grade compressor. So now this has been gone over by Danny's machine, everything is a little bit flatter, but we're going to need 2 deliveries of fine stones just to even it out, especially over there where it kind of sinks away quite quickly, and a little bit here too, just to give it that perfect finish for the tarmac to come. The guys are coming on Monday, so it'll be a nice start to the week when this is done. I've started now painting the inside of the light wells here. So you can see here, basically this is the waterproofing, which we haven't done, and the cement around the window is quite damp and it's just been sucking in the water. So after the rain yesterday, this part was dry, so I painted that, but I've got to wait for this to dry too. And then when that is all waterproofed with this, I have to go over it twice. I can go around the whole thing with white paint, so it gets a lot lighter, more light travels down there. Good morning. So yesterday we got a delivery of our fine gravel. Alright, so the space is done. We're ready for the tarmac guys to come. The company's coming on Monday, today's Saturday, so then it's going to be pretty much finished, this car park area, apart from, you know, drawing the lines for parking spaces and building this carport that will appear here. But other than that, it will be pretty nice finished. Pep's just cutting out the tarmac from the street so that we can connect to it down there. Dusty job. And our neighbour's taking the rest away, so that's nice of him.